Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Just wanted to wish everyone a happy new year. Hope this year is going to be better than 2020. So this is the first episode of this season or this year, and we're just goofing around with my friend Imre and enjoying the first days of snow in Estonia. So, but for the future, I'm going to start to do some tutorials on editing, for example, curves versus levels, and then color grading and other great stuff coming up. So if you want, and if you have joined my content so far, hit the subscribe button and get notified when the new videos are up. So enjoy the video and have a great day.
Ilmapilves selgimistega kohati sajab lunde lõtsi, õhutemperatuur on -4 +2 kraadini.
Hello and welcome back to the vlog. So happy New Year's to everyone, and it's January and we have snow at last. So it has been snowing for the last 3 days now, and today I found some free time to come out, and I'm at Nõmmeveski Cascades, I think it's called. It's a really popular tourist place in Lahemaa National Park. And so I'm just trying to find some cool images with reflections from the cascade or the stream itself. And the trees are just amazing. Everything is covered with snow and ice, and hopefully this will last for a week or two at least. We'll see. But I'm just going to use the opportunity and try to get some first winter images of this season. I think I found my first shot, and as it's light enough, I don't need a tripod. I know, I'm lazy sometimes, but still, I'm only at ISO like 200 and to 1/200th of a second, so I think that's fine. And I'm gonna show you the composition real quick before we are going to the next place. And I know I have told in previous vlogs that always shoot landscape images from a tripod and so on, but I had a reason. I had a reason for not using that thing, which is behind me somewhere. And the reason is that this is steep and there is actually no place to put my tripod, so you know. Basically I'm gonna do 2 compositions of this scene. I'm gonna do one landscape composition which will consist of kind of this area. I made different exposures of this, so I'll see at home what I will actually use. And I'll make one portrait composition also, and that this will be from this area. And I incorporated the branch, which you can see in the middle of the screen, into both images. It's kind of the anchor point of the image for me. So for both images I was just shooting from hand. I was at about 1/200th of a second. I was at ISO 200 and 300, depending on the exposure. And yeah, that's that. No filters, no nothing. Just pure image. And I was at about 60mm for the landscape image and about 50 on the portrait image of the scene. So enjoy. So now as I'm looking for another image of the scene to capture, it's like it's been snowing for the last 2 days, and this is the first proper snow in Estonia for this winter season. And I hope it will get even better because at the end of the week it promised about -10 degrees in Celsius, and that would be fantastic if we could get a proper winter after like 3 years of not getting snow. So we'll see. So I found Imre and we found this foam we're doing circles. So I think we're gonna try to capture this image with long exposure. And so if we do it like, I'm guessing for 10 seconds, 5 seconds, something, we should have a nice, like a circle going around from the foam of the water. So we'll see what we can get from that. But to get an idea where we actually are, this is the place. And it's absolutely amazing during the winter time. At the moment there's not that much ice and it's just really snowy trees and flowing water. But it's nice because during autumn I don't like this place. It has too little light for me, and then it's really like dark and muddy. But during the summer times when we have some green here, and then during winter it's really nice and really calm. But it's also really loud, and that's the thing with all rapids. So and also let me know if the image quality is better on the videos, because I got myself the new GoPro 9, and actually the GoPro 8 that I used before was a really nice camera. It was light and simple, just hit the button and record. But the thing is that GoPro 8's batteries died all the time. So it was like -5 the last time I was out with my GoPro 8. And it just died like in 45 minutes. And the other batteries that I had like really close to me on my chest pocket that should have been warm even didn't start up anymore. So I read some reviews and got myself a GoPro 9, and now I have been walking outside for the better half of 2 hours, and I'm still like at 60% of battery and it doesn't show any signs of dying. So that's super. So now I'm more confident to shoot during really cold weather. We'll see what will happen if it's like -10, -15 outside, but at the moment it's great. And let me know if you like the quality, and is the quality better or worse than before. Yeah. So I'm hunting around for different compositions with my phone at the moment, and I'm just trying to find a good angle and trying to think of how the image would look like with long exposure and all the water flowing. So yeah, I'll try a couple of different compositions, and then I'll come back to you. Yeah, so I think I found one. So I'll try to do this composition. So I finally settled on a composition. Alright, I just broke my tripod. Oh well, this happened. So anyway, I broke this thing that you can see here, and this holds the extension column up and down. I don't actually know how it's up at the moment. Well, alright, so we'll need to fix the tripod again. Kind of. So I finally think I settled on a composition and settings for this image. And I tried different exposure times. I tried 1 second, 2 seconds, 3 seconds. But I want it to be a bit more mystical, a bit more hazy and glowy. So I settled on 5 seconds. And I'm at f18 and ISO 64. So yeah, I hope you like the image, and here it is. So as we have about like 10 minutes before 3 and the sun is setting at 3:30 something, we are running to another location. It's even not a location, it's just a place I drove past like before I came here, and there was a really nice stream visible from the road, and really snowy and icy trees on two sides of it. So we'll go and find out if we can get an image from there. See you there. So we have arrived at our final destination for the day, I think. And we are basically just on a road, and we have a bridge here, and there's a stream called Loobujõgi. So, and earlier when I just drove past here, it just kind of, I just remembered it for some reason, I don't know why. Does it work? Does it not? Not sure. I will try, but it's really dark already, so I'm not that sure about it, but we'll try. And this is the view. So I'll probably need to come back here when it's a bit more lighter, but yeah. I'm doing a composition basically from this area here, or to be exact from here. And I'm cutting out the sky for a simple reason, because there's nothing in the sky today. So yeah, the sky is just grey, there's no contrast, there's no structure, there's nothing. And as the sun is setting also that way, where I'm shooting, I just need to take it out because it's just overexposed, and I really don't want to bracket this image. So it's probably not gonna look natural. So yeah, that's that. For this image, I'm at 6 seconds, I'm at f14, ISO is 2 stops below native ISO 64. And yeah, that's that. So here's the image. Hello. Yeah, but that's that for today. Hope you liked the images. And at last, it's winter, it's cold. I can go skiing. Hopefully you can too, soon enough, depending where you live. And yeah, if you liked my videos, subscribe, hit the notification bell to get notified when the next video is up. And hit me up in the comments if you have any questions, ideas, suggestions, you know. So yeah, see you next time.